Hello Amiga users, welcome to my video. This is my first video where I want to show you my Amiga 4000. We have 2017 and basically my Amiga is almost 25 years old, but yeah, it's in a great condition. It is quite nice expanded. So what we have inside, we have 060 processor, the latest revision, number 6. There is also CyberStorm MK2 processor card with 128 megabytes of fast RAM. As you can see on the screen, we have also Cybervision 64 graphics card with the pass-through port, but I'll talk about it later. We have also Prisma Megamix music card inside. We have NetSurf X100 with Rapidroad USB controller. And also there is a BigRam Plus Zorro 2 fast RAM expansion with 256 megabyte of fast RAM. Well, not that fast because the Zorro 2 output is a limitation here. So in practice, this BigRam Plus can do around 8 megabytes per second. Comparing to CyberStorm MK2 fast RAM output, which is around 40 megabytes per second, well, it's quite a big difference. But yeah, anyway, if you are using some 3D rendering software, there's never too much RAM to use. Okay, but let me show you how it works. So I will first, let's start with the Prisma Megamix music card. So I will execute Amiga amp, and I will stream some radio station. So yeah.
Zespół jakoś powiązany z tymi kręgami chicagowskimi, z właśnie z memorunkiem, z muzykami.
Okay, let's play some music.
Tortoise,
another radio station. Yeah, much better. So the internet connection goes through the NetSurf X100. So as you can see, it works quite nice. The processor is 7-8% loaded. So most of basically all the decoding job is being done by the Prisma Megamix. That's cool. Okay, let's play some MP3s. So here we have some MP3, which is 192 kilobytes bitrate. So, well, very similar, around 10% processor usage. That's cool. While I'm listening to the MP3, I can, for example, open the eyebrows. Yep. Or even NetSurf, which is CSS capable browser for Amiga. Let's open some, let's say, Amiga wall page. What you can see on the screen, there is a 1280 per 1024 pixels resolution in 60-bit mode. All goes through Cybervision 64. Forgot to mention, there's also Indivision scandoubler inside. So all the native Amiga modes goes through the Indivision, and from the Indivision through the pass-through port on Cybervision 64 to my VGA monitor. So now I will show you some native modes. I will I will open Lotus 2. Okay, that's enough. I will also play some 060 AGA demo, so basically you can see the power of 060 processor. Let's play something from 2017. Yep, for example, we can play let's play Storm Rider by Focus Design. Oh no, or maybe Beam Riders by Ghost Town. Yeah. All those are great demos, so hard to choose. I just wanted to show you how it works on 060 processor. So yeah, it's loading. Amiga! Yeah, this is really cool stuff. Okay, enough. Let me also show you some classic demo. For example, one of my favorite ones, Technological Death by Matt Elks with the great extant music. Okay, enough of demos. Now I will show you. I have some. I have this Amiga connected to my home network, so I can share some resources through Scummvm. So as you can see, I have some folders shared through my Synology NAS to my Amiga. For example, yeah, some music. So I can basically play music directly from my home network storage. Let me show you. I will open the Amiga amp and let's go to the volumes. And here I have some NAS media, Samba share, Oops. Yeah, we have some. Let's find some music. Yep, here, and let's play Mitch Murder, Knight Rider Dam. So as you can see, it's 320 kilobytes per second bitrate. Yeah. I can also show you Heretic game. What is interesting about it is that it is using Prisma Megamix sound card, so music card. So basically, the music is played by the the music is in the OGG format, and it goes through the Prisma. Too bad that there is not too many games which is able to use the Prisma Megamix capabilities. Okay. Let me also show you some classic Amiga games, like, for example, Payback. Yeah, it's in Polish, as you see, Polish language. I'm from Poland. Hello. So yeah, this is even better than the original GTA series. It is like a predecessor of GTA. Very nice game. Okay, and also how to quit this game. I don't know. I will just reboot Amiga. What I will also show you is, of course, well, I can quickly show you how the Doom works, how the Quake works. What else? I can show you how the Mac emulator works. And basically, I think that's it. Yeah, I can also show you some Scummvm and the Riva. How basically we can, how the movies works on this setup. So yeah, I will start actually to show you some movie. Yeah, but I need to wait for Samba share to mount. It is, yep, here it is. I have some movies with the lower resolution. Actually, I have recompressed them so we can play it on a classic Amiga. So here we have 8-bit generation movie. Great video, really. If you're an Amiga fan, you should definitely see it. And as you can see, you don't need a vampire to play the movie.
Believe it or not, there was a time in which the favorite geek's toy was not a computer.
The core business for chips really wasn't computers at the time. When I started on West Technology, it was calculators.
At that time, the favorite geek's toy was something to add numbers with.
We were selling calculators to Japan, to America, all over the world, even to the US.
Amazing. 25 years old computer is playing videos.
Put himself at the forefront.
Okay, so what else? Here I have also Shapeshifter Mac emulator. I can quickly show you how it works. So now what is happening? Basically the Mac operating system is starting. I haven't opened it for a while, so hopefully this, yeah, it works. And actually with this 060 processor, the Mac emulation is really good. I would say that the feeling is almost like with the real machine. I can even open some games. Let's say Warcraft 2. I will show you how it works. Okay, so here I have some games. And let's, where is that? Yeah, Warcraft 2. Dum. Yeah. So no any lags, works perfectly smooth, and this is all under emulation. Amazing. It's loading, and yep, here we have how it works. So on Mac there is yeah, you have to press go. Let's pick this worker, send him to the mine. Cool. So really nice. Okay, that's enough. Let's end this game. Yeah. Okay, I think that is enough. There's no need to show you more. You can see that it works nice, the Mac emulation. Actually, this is macOS version 7. And yeah, I will shut down and go back to Workbench. What else? Yeah, I can quickly show you how the Doom works. Doom 1 or 2. Let's pick Doom 2. Here we have also a frame rate, which is over 30 frames per second. Who said that you can't play Doom on Amiga? Yeah, super smooth. Okay, enough. I can also show you a Quake time demo. Oh, there are some sound issues. I don't know why is that. I've never had a. Yeah, let me maybe. I will restart Amiga and try again. Maybe there was some leftovers in RAM and that caused some issues. You never know with such an old hardware. Well, and software as well. Okay, let's try again. Quake. Time demo 1. Yeah, now it's better, I think. Yep, 13 frames per second. Let me also just, it may be interesting also to show you Quake II on Amiga 4000. Unfortunately, that does not perform very nice. So, but yeah, just such a like interesting thing that it works actually. It's loading quite a while. It is even quite playable. Let's start new game. Loading. All right. Well, I would say that the frame rate is really low. Looks like around 88 frames per second. So you must be really desperate to play this, but this is interesting thing that you can execute it, and yeah. And this is a classic Amiga setup, so I'm not using any mediators with the Voodoo 3. With the mediator and Voodoo 3, this works much great, I think. So yeah, this is Zorro based classic setup. What else? I have some BOR games, which is Beats of Rage. Classic side-scrolling fighting game. And here, yeah, let me show you how it works. It was ported actually in 2017 by Vintage Amiga Gamer, if I'm not mistaken. Really cool stuff. Before I bought my CyberStorm MK2 card, I had a 3640 processor card without fast RAM on board. So I must say it was much slower. Not twice, not 3 times slower, but I don't know, it was like 8 times slower. So really recommend if you have a classic Amiga and Christmas is coming, so make yourself a gift. And well, it's bloody expensive now. You have to pay around 500-700 euros to buy a 060 processor card. So this is crazy, honestly. This is crazy, but I think that this is a good investment. This won't be cheaper, I guess. Especially that every year there is less hardware on the market. So keep your Amiga safe. Don't sell it. Yep, and as you can see, this is just great. Works nice. I'll pump up the volume a little bit. This is, yeah. Come on, lady. Okay. how to quit? F10. F10 key. And also there is a Beats of Rage Mortal Kombat Unlimited port. This is quite interesting stuff. Loading. Loading like a good old days. Yep, takes a while. So I bought my Amiga 4000 2 years ago in 2015. Actually, before I have used my Amiga 1000 and my Amiga 1200. But I always wanted to have like Amiga 4000, so basically my girlfriend convinced me to buy it. She knew that I always wanted to have it, but you know, it wasn't cheap. Yeah, I paid around 900 euros for my Amiga, basic Amiga setup. Then I bought 60 processor card, then I bought few Zorro cards. Well, oh my god, now I think it's worth about maybe 2,500 euros. It's in the really great condition. You cannot see here because it's dark, and this is, well, I'm recording this movie by phone. But yeah, if you like this video, please leave your comment, so I will record another one. I will show you basically how my Amiga looks inside. I will describe a little bit each Zorro card, maybe some background. Yeah. This is cool. Oops. Wow, yeah. Works really nice. Okay. What else we have here? We have Wookie Chat, which is IRT client. I will open it once again. So yeah, I'm connected. So here we have Polish Amiga portal users. As you can see, quite many users online. So the Amiga community is amazing. I mean, it's really active. These are great guys, basically from Amiga home region, and also I think those guys are the most active Amiga users in Poland. But yeah, hello guys. Okay, what else? We have Descent here, but yeah, I can open it. But actually, I think that I should show you more Amiga classic game instead of PC ports. Actually, this is funny that we are benchmarking our Amigas using PC game like Doom, for example, not the Amiga classic games like Breathless and that kind of gloom. Yeah. Come on, yep. Prepare for Descent. this works really, really great. Full screen, full details. Classic setup. All right. Quit. I can also show you sysinfo. So I forgot to mention what we have here is overclocked 060. So basically it is overclocked from 50 megahertz to 72 megahertz. I've tried to overclock to 75, but then it was unstable. Not because of the processor, but I think that my fast RAM is basically too slow for 75 megahertz, because here I have 1-to-1 ratio. Interesting thing, what I can say that I've tried to, because on the CyberStorm MK2 card you can basically do some trick by resolgering two resistors. You can change the CPU to memory ratio from 1-to-1 to 1-to-2. So basically I have overclocked this 060 processor to 100 megahertz, and it worked fine because the memory worked at 50 megahertz. But overall performance was basically slower than running on 72 megahertz 1-to-1 ratio. So when processor runs on 72 megahertz and when the memory runs on 72 megahertz, the overall performance is much better than the processor itself on 100 megahertz and memory 50 megahertz. Yeah, I don't have any SCSI controller inside, so I'm using the standard ID controller, Amiga 4000 ID controller. So the performance, it's rather slow. It's as you can see, it's 2.6 megabytes per second. Let me show you the memory. So yeah, we have 128 fast RAM on board, the fast RAM actually with the highest priority. Then we have a little bit, well, then we have slower, the 60 megabytes on the Amiga mainboard, and the slowest one is the Zorro 2 BigRam Plus memory. Okay, let's quit sysinfo. As you can see, the switching between the native Amiga modes and the Cybervision 64 modes, it's quite smooth. No issues here. I can also show you some, what's the memory output. So I will open sysspeed, and yeah, CPU is around 38 megaflops, 95 MIPS, and I can compare it to, for example, 66 megahertz. Nope. Well, yeah, I don't know. Okay, probably some those. Oh yeah, but here I have some results for MK2 060 100 megahertz. So you can see that basically, yeah, the processor of course the processor is slower. The processor working on 72 megahertz, it's slower than working on 100. It's like 0.72 slower. Yeah, but I can show you the memory results. So as you can see, the fast RAM read, it is around 20% faster with on 72 megahertz than comparing to 060 overclock to 100 megahertz. So yeah, but this is in reality, in real applications, in some 3D games, it is even more noticeable. So yeah, the memory bus, the memory throughput do the job, to be honest. All right. And yeah, at the end I can also show you maybe some native Amiga game, ERF 2140, 800 by 600 pixels resolution. Let's find some enemies. Where are they hiding? Probably I should go the other way. Ah, come on. Oh, yeah, there is something happening. All right. Cool, guys. Looks like Command and Conquer, and it's totally playable. 800 by 600 pixels resolution. Honestly, very nice experience. Let's quit the game. And let's go back to the workbench. Yeah, I think that's all. So as you can see, even 25 years later, in 2017, there is a lots of fun with Amiga 4000. It can play music, you can browse network. Well, of course, the browsing experience is not so good because there is, well, the modern CSS HTML5 based web pages doesn't work very well on the eyebrows. For example, let's try to, now I will have to restart it. But yeah, the last thing, I will show you basically what is the difference between displaying for example, Google page using, so what failed? Task name RAM. Weird. Okay. I have a BigRam here, so this guru meditation screen was a little bit different, showing basically more details. So if you are not using, if you have similar setup and you are not using BigRam, I really recommend it to use it. All right. So yeah, so I'll open eyebrows and let's display some Google search, for example, Amiga. So now it is opening. Yeah, actually Google doesn't look so bad. It's still loading. JavaScript processing. Yep, so playing quite nice. Let's open Wikipedia. Okay, SSL problem. I don't have a proper, I don't know, I don't have proper certificates or something. Yeah, so let's pick some HTTP page, not HTTPS, for example. I don't know. Probably, yeah, Amiga Word will be displayed nice, I think. Yep. And now we can open the same page using NetSurf, which is CSS capable browser, like I mentioned before. So yeah, Amiga.org. Actually, the NetSurf project is still under development, so I don't expect any miracles here, but each version is better than the previous one, so I think that we can still expect some improvements in there. So yeah, this is CSS Amiga.org webpage in NetSurf. And here we have the same page under eyebrows. So yeah, the eyebrows, the performance is much better, but as we can see that the page doesn't look so nice as on NetSurf. All right, so is that all I wanted to show you? Well, there's also another yeah, Scummvm. I forgot about Scummvm. So let's, for example, play maybe, I don't know, Sam and Max hit the road. So yeah, load game. Not the load game, but double click. Okay. So it is very playable.
Well, that was a pleasantly understated credit sequence. I enjoyed the cheesy retro ambiance. What the hell are you talking about, Max?
Okay, let's open Broken Sword. I don't know, we can hear that the voice is breaking. Yeah. Okay. So I want to, yeah, I can. As you can see, works quite nice. Definitely it is playable. All right, blah blah blah. Never mind. So yeah, I'll try to exit the game. How to do this? F10, F5 doesn't work. Escape doesn't work. What's happening? Maybe, yeah. I'm not a doctor. Alright guys, I think that's all. So hope you like this movie. I will not say sorry for my English, but yeah, I know that it's not perfect, but hope you like this, and see you soon. Well, not see you, but well, hear you soon, basically. Bye bye.